Hey, what's up everybody? Young Flux back with another video for the ESPIO channel today. And today I'm actually going to be taking you guys through a little tour of our new house in Kamloops here. So essentially back in August, me and my girlfriend, we loaded up our car and we drove 7 hours across the province all the way out to Kamloops, BC. Once we got here, we started looking for apartments and everything, and it took us a while really. We stayed in the campground for a week, and then we stayed in an Airbnb for a week, and then we started to get like pretty low on money from the Airbnb because it was a bit too expensive, but it was super sick there. And then we stayed in like another hotel for like 2 more weeks, and like things were starting to get rough because my girlfriend was starting work, I had started work, but we had nowhere to live, and like we had none of our shit out there. We just had like basically the clothes and stuff that we brought with us. And so we were out there for about a total of a month. It was about the middle of September, and we finally got an apartment. But the apartment that we got was only like a short-term agreement until January. So even though we found the apartment, we had to keep like looking. So this new crib that we're living in is definitely pretty big for just me and my girlfriend, which is pretty nice, but it's like an older place. Like it's kinda, we're still working on like decorating it and everything and like cleaning it up a bit and setting everything up. But I thought I'd take you guys through like a little walk through the house and just show you guys how things are looking so far. I thought right now would be a cool time to walk through it too, just because we like just moved in. So I thought then maybe like a year or 2 years from now I'll do like another one of these videos once like everything's set up, like all of our studios set up, our office is like looking mint. So again, while we're walking through the house here, keep in mind like it is pretty messy. There's still like recycling and like boxes and shit's still unpacked. But I just thought it'd be cool to show you guys the house in this state, so then I can show you guys like another video and you can see what it looks like with everything unpacked and set up. So yeah, let's get it. Alright, so when we first come in the door and up the stairs here, we come up into our living room area. So here we've got like a nice little fireplace there, and just our couch there, and then a bookshelf and some other shit. Eventually we'd like to get a TV up on the wall mounted up there, but you know, that's not really in our budget yet. Then come around over here and we've got our little pet rats. We've also got a pretty sick balcony from over here, and then this is kind of our dining room area and into our kitchen. Then once we come on through the kitchen here, there's like a little laundry room. I'm not gonna go back there because it's a mess because we just finished moving. And that's pretty much it for down here, so now let's go on upstairs. So once we get up the stairs here, we've got obviously our bedroom first off. I'm not going to show too much of this because that's private, you know, that's where the magic happens. But it is a pretty good sized room for me and my girlfriend. We've got a lot of room for both of our stuff, so that's pretty sick. Then this is like the hallway upstairs. We've got 3 rooms up here. We've got the bathroom in there, the studio in there, and our office in there. But as much as we like this new place we're in, it's definitely like taking us a while to get used to it, and also it was definitely a bit weird because this was the first time we've ever moved that we didn't really want to. We really liked the apartment that we were in, and like if we could have stayed there forever, we like would have loved to, but like I said, it was like a short-term agreement, so we had to be gone January like no matter what. So that kind of sucked because every other time I've moved in the past, and I've moved like fucking 1, 2, 3, this is my 4th or 5th time moving out, and so this is the first time that I like wasn't really like my decision. I wasn't like, alright, fuck this shit, I'm out of here, let's go. It was kind of like someone else being like, alright, January's here, time for you guys to dip. So like that was a bit different, but you know, it is what it is. Like it's just shit we gotta deal with and move on. Like we miss the place. I get nostalgic as fuck when I see like my old TikToks I made there. Thanks so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope you guys like thought it was cool to see what we've been up to and see what we've been doing in our new crib, and I hope you guys can like picture what it's gonna look like in the future. And like I said, I'll take you guys through in the future and show you what it looks like then. So hell yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload next. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out my personal Young Flux socials in the description below. Thanks guys. Have a good day. Peace.